So this is the current state of my sea glass organization. This is where I come in my art studio here to get some sea glass if I need it or to find a special piece. So I have to search through all these jars of sea glass or look at my trays of stuff sitting on top of the shelf or look at these shelves over here or the windowsill. And it's a bit of a mess, I must admit. I think I can do a lot better than this. And these shelves are set up behind my desk, so it's particularly hard, especially on the lower shelves, to squeeze in here, looking through my stuff to find just the right thing. So I got these drawer organizer things. I'll put a link in the description down below in case you want to take a closer look at these. So I'm going to install these and I'll show you how it helps me organize. So I am shocked at how easy these things are to install. All you do is you strip off this thing on the back and it exposes a sticky strip. And then you place it in place. Make sure these things are right. Then you place it in place like this. It sticks immediately and then you can pull the drawer out. And then you install your screws. Electric drill, and this is installed. Jiffy split. And voila! You've got a drawer that can pull out, and it will be so much easier to see all my sea glass. Now, this is going to make life a lot easier. I just have to decide on the best arrangement of my treasures so that I can figure out where things are and the easiest way to find them. So, check this out. I pull out the drawer and all of a sudden I can see all of my treasures. I've got all my shells and my pebbles all divided into different jars according to color and type, and it really does help me find things. And then on this shelf, I've got different colors of sea glass. And down here, it's a smaller shelf, so I can put some of my smaller containers where I can easily access and see what I'm looking for. The other thing that really impresses me about these pull-out drawers is that this stuff is crazy heavy. Like rocks and glass and shells and glass jars, it all makes up for a lot of weight in this little drawer. And if that drawer wasn't sturdy, it would break. But it's holding up no problem. So I would highly recommend these shelves to help get your stuff, all of your stuff organized.